Mulani Operators Training School +277 315 82436. School offers free accommodation & job assistance after training. Do you have a dream of becoming an operator of any of the construction and mining machines? Welcome to the best training school in Johannesburg. We have the following courses below. Mulani Operators Training School +277 315 82436 1 * Dump Truck Training School 2 * Excavator Training School 3 * Front End Loader Training School 4 * Grader Training School 5 * Roller Training School 6 * Bulldozer Training School 7 * L.h.d Scoop Training School. Come and train with us for the following lifting machines and cranes below: Forklift Training School * Reach Truck Training School. We offer training for cranes in all tones * Mobile Crane Training School * Truck Mounted Crane Training School * Overhead Crane Training School * Tower Crane Training School. We keep a good relationship with our students in order to help them find jobs. Our certificates are qualified. We renew all the expired ones at a very affordable rates. We have a very organized rooms to accommodate our students at no extra costs. Come and view our school or call Mulani 073 158 2436 for more information. Register with us today. Mulani Operators Training School +277 315 82436.